If sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x equals 2x square, here the polynomial is 2x square minus k root 2x plus 1 equals 0. So here, if we'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 2, b is minus k root 2, c is 1. Now, if in the question it is given very clearly sum of the zeros. So, sum of the zeros is root 2. Means alpha plus beta is root 2 minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a equals root 2 minus b. B value here is minus k root 2. So, minus of k root 2 by a, which is 2, equals root 2. Minus into minus plus, root 2 will get cancelled. Root 2 times 1. So, k equals 2 times 1 is 2. So, the correct option is here, B. If the probability of player winning a game is 0.79, then the probability of his losing the same game is. So here probability of event or winning is 0.79. So there is probability of event, like if we'll consider, and we need to find probability of not winning, not event. So probability of an event plus probability of a not event is always 1. So probability of an event is 0.79 plus probability of not event, here not winning, is 1. So here probability of not event is 1 minus 0.79. So 1 minus 0.79. So if I'll borrow here 1, here's 9, 0. So it is 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 7, 2, 0.21. So probability of not winning or losing the same game is 0.21. So the correct option is D. If the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, a is not equal to 0, are real and equal, then which of the following relation is true? See, b square minus 4ac. Here, if roots are real and equal, then discriminant will be 0. So discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac equals 0. So this is the correct option, but here they made some other subjects. So b square equals 4ac also we can write, that also we don't have. B square equals 4ac, we don't have that also subject. AC is b square by 4. See this one. AC, this is not the correct answer. A equals b square by c, this is also not the correct answer. C equals b square by 4a should come, so this is not the correct option, is C. C I'll write here. B square minus 4ac equals 0. B square equals 4ac. If I'll make AC as a subject, b square by 4 equals AC. So AC equals b square by 4. In an AP, if the first term is 7, nth term an is 84, and the sum of first n terms is Sn equals 2093 by 2, then n is equal to. See here, we have the last term an, or you can write L, So Sn formula is n by 2 times a plus L. You can write a plus L, or in place of L is nothing but nth term. L is nothing but here nth term. So you can write any way. So Sn, sum of n terms, is 2093 by 2. N I need to find n by 2. A is 7, L is 84. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2093, n into 84 plus 7 is 91. So 2093 by 91 is n. So n equals 2093 by 91. See, here last digit is 1 and here 3. So definitely the answer may be like 23, but we'll cancel it. Like I'll cancel with like 7 table. 7 times 1, 7 times 3. 7 times 2, 14, 69. 7, 9, 63. Again 63. 7, 9, 63. Now 13 table, 13 ones. 13 times 2, 26. 39. 13 times 3, 39. So n equals here 23. So the correct option is C. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed as p equals 18 a square b power 4, 18 a square b power 4, and q equals 20 a cube b square. So we need to find LCM. LCM is product of prime factors with the highest power. Product of prime factors. Product of prime factors with the highest power. So here 18 I'll write as 2 into 3 square into a square into b power 4. Q I'll write as 2 square times 5 into a cube into b square. So now I need to find, because the 18 prime factors are 2 times 9, 3 times 3, and in the same way 20, 2 times 10, 2 times 5. So I wrote prime factors. Now LCM is product of prime factors. So 2, 3, 5 with the highest power. So 2 is 2 square, 3 is like 3 square is highest, and 5. And in a square and a cube, if you'll see a square, a cube, the highest is a cube, and b power 4 and b square, the highest is b power 4. So b power 4. So 2 square is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 times 9 is 180. 180 a cube b power 4. 180 a cube b power 4. Correct option is D. So LCM is product of prime factors with the highest power. AD is a median of triangle ABC with vertices A 5, minus 6, B 6, 4, and C 0, 0. Length AD is equal to. So here triangle ABC BC with A 5, minus 6, B 6, 4, C 0, 0, and they told median AD. So median means here D is the midpoint of BC. So D, to find D, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 6 plus 0 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3, 4 by 2 is 2. So D is 3, 2. Now I need to find the length of AD. So A 5, minus 6, and D, just now I got it D, that is 3, 2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So AD distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root x2 minus x1. See here x2 is 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 whole square plus y2 is 2. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6. y1 is minus 6. So plus 6 whole square. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. 2 plus 6 is 8 square. 2 square is 4. 8 square is 64. So under root 68 units. 64 plus 8 is 64 plus 4 is 68 units. So correct option is A. If sec theta minus tan theta is m, then the value of sec theta plus tan theta. See, this sec theta minus tan theta and sec theta plus tan theta in the same way. Cosec theta plus cot theta and cosec theta minus cot theta. These two identities. So here if it is sec theta minus tan theta is m, sec theta plus tan theta will be reciprocal. So correct option is C. But I'll explain now. See, the identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1, which is in the form of a square minus b square, which is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So here sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta equals 1. So clearly they gave sec theta minus tan theta value is m. So if I'll write here sec theta plus tan theta into m is 1. So now if I'll transpose m to the other side, sec theta plus tan theta is 1 upon m. So correct option is C. From the data 1, 4, 7, 9, 16, 21, 25. See, if all the even numbers are removed, so if I'll remove all the even numbers, like for example here I'll remove like 4, 1, 4, 7, 9, 16. These are the two even numbers. So if I'll remove these even numbers, I'm left with like 1, 7, 9, 21, 25. So then the probability of getting at random a prime number. So probability of an event formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So here probability of prime from the remaining is total number of outcomes are like 5. In that the prime number is only 7. 9, 21, 25, they are not primes. So the answer is 1 by 5. So the correct option is B. For some data x1, x2, so on xn with respective frequencies f1, f2, so on fn, the value of sigma I equals 1 to n fi times xi minus x bar is equal to. So here see, this expression you can get if you write the mean formula for group data, sigma or summation of fi xi by sigma fi. So if you cross multiply, x bar sigma fi is nothing but sigma fi xi. So we need sigma fi xi, so take this to the right side. So here sigma or summation fi xi minus x bar summation fi sigma fi. Now see, if you take sigma fi or summation of fi common, I'll be left with like equal 0. Here sigma fi will take common xi minus x bar, which is nothing but 0. So in this way we can see we got the answer here. I equals 1 to n sigma fi times xi minus x bar is 0. Now this is one way, or directly also if you want you can sigma or summation fi times xi minus x bar. So if we'll multiply summation fi xi minus summation fi x bar. Now see here, x bar is a mean value, it's a constant. So you can write sigma fi xi minus x bar summation of sigma fi, summation of fi. Now if you'll observe this value sigma fi xi from here, that is x bar summation of fi minus x bar summation of fi. So the answer is 0. So the correct option is D. The zeros of the polynomial here x square plus px plus q. The zeros of this polynomial are twice the zeros of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x minus 6. Suppose if here it is alpha and beta, here the zeros are 2 alpha, 2 beta. So what I'll do here, I need to find p. So here I'll find sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, that is 2 alpha plus 2 beta. And here minus b by a, if I'll apply for this equation, I'll get minus p by q. Minus p by, 1. Minus b by, because sum of the zeros formula is minus b by a. So here minus p by 1 equals 2 times, if we'll take alpha plus beta common, I'll take 2 common, I'll get alpha plus beta. So here sum of the zeros, if I'll calculate alpha plus beta value, which is minus b by a is 4, b is minus 5. So minus of minus plus 5 by 4. So minus p equals 2 times alpha plus beta is 5 by 4. Minus p equals 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 5 by 2. So the value of p is minus 5 by 2. So the correct option is A. You can do in another method, that is find the zeros of this polynomial, like 4x square minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. 4 times 6, 24. 8 times 3, 24. So 4x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. So 4x if I'll take common, x minus 2 plus 3 if I'll take common, x minus 2. So x minus 2 into 4x plus 3 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. 4x plus 3 equals 0. So now here, next step, x equals 2, x equals minus 3 upon 4. So these are the two zeros, alpha and beta. So now see here, if we'll take alpha as, if we'll consider alpha as 2 and beta minus 3 by 4. Now if I'll find 2 alpha, it will become 2 times 2, which is 4, and 2 beta, which is nothing but 2 times minus 3 by 4, which is minus 3 by 2. So the 2 alpha and 2 beta are here. So now I'll find sum for this one. Alpha, 2 alpha plus 2 beta is minus b by a. 2 alpha value is 4 minus 2 beta value is minus 3 by 2 minus p by 1. So if we take LCM 2, it's 8 minus 3 equals minus p. 5 by 2 equals minus p. So p equals minus 5 upon 2. So the answer is minus 5 by 2. Correct option is A. If the distance between the points 3 comma minus 5 and x comma minus 5 is 15, then the value of x, see here, here y coordinates are same, so the distance will be mod of x minus 3, x2 minus x1. So absolute value of, see, because y values are same, so mod of x2 minus x1 equals 15. So directly you can do this. So here in place of, see, x1 y1, x2 y2. So modulus or absolute value x2 is x, x1 is 3 equals 15. So absolute value x minus 3 equals plus 15, or x minus 3 may be like minus 15. It may be minus 15. So x equals 15 minus 3, if I transpose, it is 15 plus 3, 18. Or x equals minus 5 plus minus 15 plus 3, that is minus 12. So 18 and minus 12. So correct option is B. Or you can do with normal distance formula, like under root x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square equals, they gave 15. Under root x2, that is x minus 3 whole square plus minus 5 and minus of minus plus 5 whole square equals 15. So under root x minus 3 whole square, because this is 0, equals 15. So here two values are possible. So instead of directly, if you cut it again, you'll get out how you'll get plus or minus. So instead of that, do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, you'll get like x minus 3 whole square equals 225, or x minus 3 equals root 225. X minus 3 equals plus or minus 15. So if x minus 3 is plus 15, x minus 3 is minus 15. X equals 15 plus 3, which is 18. X equals minus 15 plus 3, which is minus 12. So the correct option is B. If cos alpha plus beta is 0, then the value of cos alpha plus beta by 2. So here, see, cos alpha plus beta is 0 degrees. Sorry, 0. So cos alpha plus beta, in cos 0 we'll get for like cos 90. Cos 90 degrees. So alpha plus beta value is 90 degrees. So now, but they are asking cos alpha plus beta upon 2. So alpha plus beta value, just now we got 90 degrees by 2. So we need to find cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. So the correct option is A. A solid sphere is cut into two hemispheres. The ratio of the surface areas of sphere to that of two hemispheres taken together. Suppose here, if it is sphere, it has been cut into two parts. Like, we'll take this sphere, like ball something. It has been cut in the middle, like two parts. So one hemisphere and the top one. So now see, the surface area of this part is 3 pi r square, total surface area. Of this one is 3 pi r square, and for sphere it is 4 pi r square. So they're asking area, ratio of the surface area of sphere, which is 4 pi r square, by two spheres taken together, this one, both together. So 3 pi r square plus 3 pi r square, which is 6 pi r square. So pi r square cancel. There is nothing but 4 by 6 which is nothing but 2 by 3. So the ratio is 2:3. Correct option is C. The middlemost observation of every data arranged in order is called. See, the answer is, it's a direct answer, that it is median. So the observation, suppose if they are arranged in ascending order, or you can arrange in like descending order, ascending or descending order, the middlemost observation is a median. For example, here correct option is B. For example, like I'll take some observations 7, 3, 5, 2 and 9. Suppose these are 5 observations, odd number of observations, so I'll arrange in ascending order. So here first is like 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So odd 5 observations. So the formula for this is n plus 1 by 2 observation. So 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is third observation. So the median is 5. So middlemost value is median. If even observation, then we'll take middlemost 2 values and we'll find the average. N by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation. We'll find the average for even. So here the direct answer it is, so the middlemost observation of every data arranged in order, ascending or descending order, is called median. The volume of the largest right circular cone that can be carved out from a solid cube of edge 2 centimeters. See here, we have a cube of 2 centimeters. So from that, a cone has been carved out. Like see here, cone. You should take out a cone in this way. So indirectly they are telling the diameter is 2 centimeters and height of the cone is also 2 centimeters. So radius is 1 centimeter. Because edge is 2 centimeters, so diameter will be 2 maximum and height also will be 2. So because they told largest, so the maximum possibility. So now volume of cone, volume of a right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi, r is 1 square times h is 2. So 1 by 3 pi, 1 square is 1 into 2. So 2 pi by 3 cubic centimeters. So correct option is D. Two dice are rolled together. The probability of getting sum of the numbers on two dice as 2, 3, 2 or 3 or 5. So here see I wrote all the possible outcomes. Like when two dice are thrown, so like total outcomes are 36 because we may get 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4. So these are all 36 outcomes, anything we may get. So in this, what they're asking is here, probability of getting sum 2 or 3 or 5. So total outcomes are like 36. So now if you'll see 2, if you'll add 2, like this is only one outcome here. For 2 only 1, and for 3 we have 2 more, because you can check this diagonal like this. You will check the diagonal, you will get total like 3. Now 5 is this diagonal, see 4, 1, 3, 2, 1. So they're asking like 2, 3 or 5, only these 3. So for 2 we have 1, for 2 we have 1, for 3 we have 2, for 5 we have 4 values. Total 7. 7 upon 36. So the correct option is A. The center of a circle is 2, 0. If one end of the diameter is 6, 0, then the other end is. So here the center of a circle is, diameter is given here. So center I'll consider as O, which is 2 comma 0. One end of the diameter is 6 comma 0. What is the another end? I'll consider it as A comma B. So now here O is the midpoint of AB. A is 6 comma 0. B, we need to find A comma B. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now here center is 2 comma 0, x1 is 6 plus A by 2, 0 plus B by 2. Abscissa I'll equate with abscissa, ordinate with ordinate. 2 equals 6 plus A by 2. 2 if I'll cross multiply, 4 equals 6 plus A. So if I'll take 6 to the other side, 4 minus 6 equals A, minus 2 equals A. So A value is minus 2. Now ordinate if I'll equate, 0 equals 0 plus B upon 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 equals B, B equals 0. So A comma B is the another end B. So B is nothing but A value is minus 2, B is 0. So the correct option is C. In the given figure, graphs of two linear equations are shown. The pair of these linear equations is consistent with unique solution, consistent with infinitely many solution, inconsistent, consistent but can be made consistent, inconsistent but can be made consistent by extending these lines. See this option D, most of the children are getting confused, but correct option is here, consistent with unique solution, as these two lines are not parallel. As they are not parallel, so definitely they'll intersect at one point. So no, so because correct option is here A, because see, I'll give an example. Suppose a question is asked, for example, x plus y equals 4 and x minus y equals 4. So if you'll draw a line, zero here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See the first line, if x is 0, y is 4. If x is 4, y is 0. So these are the 2 points. So you'll get a line like this one. And the second one, here x is 0, then y is minus 4. If x is minus 1, suppose for example, x is minus 1, then y will be minus 1 minus y is 4, minus 1 minus 4 is y, y will be minus y. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So 2 points are minus 4 and minus 5 also. If you here minus 5. So 1 minus 5, 4. So you'll draw the line like this and you will leave it, because see these are lines. So now, but if I'll check these lines, see we will not tell that if you'll extend it will become intersecting. So if I'll ask you what type of lines this, you'll check with the condition A1 by A2. If it is not equal to B1 by B2, the lines are intersecting. So here 1 by 1 equals 1 by minus 1. See here they are not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If we'll stop like this, also we'll call like the lines are consistent, because if we'll extend, they will meet it, we'll get the answer where they are intersecting. But the given question will be, already it will be intersecting with one solution, consistent with one solution. So correct option is A.